Hi everyone! In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI agents in Bridge. They are designed to make your work faster and smarter. They can search your data, summarize information, create tasks, send notifications, and even respond to messages, all within your workspace. To create a new agent, head over the Agent section. Click the plus button, give your agent a name and description. Each agent is built as a modular system, consisting of several key components. Prompt: a clear description of the agent's behavior and task scope. Variables: input fields used during execution, like name, date, or amount. Knowledge: internal documents that the agent can access to provide accurate information. Skills: reusable action or logic blocks that define what agent can actually do. Once created, simply tag it in a message using the agent's name. It will instantly respond and perform a task you have assigned. And that's your quick look at AI agents in Bridge, powerful assistants that bring automation, knowledge, and intelligence right into your workspace.